So the ABS light is on and it sounds like a bulk bag of bolts. Molly Dog thought here it was maybe the ABS, the lambda sensor at the front, because that's gone twice already. I used a cheap one and I was playing about with it last week. I took it out to get the gearbox out, but it's not that. I've checked, it's tight, it's looking okay, and a friend put it on a diagnostic system and I know that it is a misfire on cylinder 1, but if you don't know what cylinder it is because you don't have a diagnostics machine, there's a way around that. So I'm going to go under the bonnet now. We will start off by taking this filter cover off. It's dead easy. It's just 4 little clips. It's always harder in real life than what it is on YouTube videos. You always get one thing that won't move. Is that just 3 clips? I thought there was another. There is another, it's down here. And that should just pull right out dead easy. This is the 3 ignition coils. I'm going to take this one out, lift it out, see if it makes any difference to how the car is running, just to check that I'm at the right one and it is the piston one. If it still runs like no worse, then I'll know it's this one. So I'm just going to put this down, I'll pick up the socket and take it off. Again, you can never go wrong with the old lefty loosey, righty tighty. And here we go, anti-clockwise, hopefully. This is a 10mm socket because it's a citreon C1, and that was nice and easy to get it away. It's the wrong thing I'm on. Tighten that one back up. This is the problem of working with a phone in your hand, and onto the right one would be helpful. This one's more corroded, so I don't know if it'll maybe be harder to get it away. There we go. It's actually quite easy. I'm going to start the engine now so I can see if it makes any difference when I lift this out. There we go. Makes no difference. Step up this one, we've got the right one. I'm going to take the spark plug out. Me going down in here with a 16, and it's longer socket because this one for a spark plug. Molly Dog says that it's always a 16 or a 21 normally, and she's usually right about these things. And it's good old lefty loosey, righty tighty. If I can just get it to sit right on the hex. Hopefully this won't be too tight. And it's not. I've got an extension on it because it's like quite a long thing to get into. Actually be hand tight now, hand loose. And here we have quite a sorry looking spark plug. Looks really good at the other end too, So it's dead easy to replace the other one. It's really just like on the transit. And the camera around because it's really hard to do anything when I'm holding it. Putting my extension back together. Sometimes when you take a bolt out or something that sticks in the socket, you've got to throw it off the ground a few times or give it a hard pull, which is what was happening there. Putting the new spark plug out. A lot nicer than the last one. But what I'm going to do is actually get it in hand tight to start with, just using the extender in the socket. I'm going to get it in there. No wonder it's struggling to come out. There's a spongy bit that's supposed to give it a bit more protection. There we go. Now you don't want to do these too tight. It's a really big job if you ever get one stuck in it. And it's righty tighty, lefty loosey. It's not gripping, so I don't have it right on yet. Keep on going. And when it stops being hand tight, I only want to give it a wee nip with the thing about half a turn. Changing that so that it's changed direction. If a wee quarter turn. That feels, yeah, pretty cool. Take that back out. Put this back on. Now where have I put this little bolt? Yeah, here it is. The bolt goes back in, and then it's my moment to see if this has fixed it or if I'm going to need a new ignition coil. Again, I'm switching that because it makes it go the opposite way. So that's loosening it, it should be that way. I'll even start off with hand tightening it actually. Here we go. This one I'll let it a little bit tighter, but not too tight because it might be coming back off if it is my ignition coil. I'm just going to start the car up. I'll put the air filter on, start the car up and see if it's my lucky day and it is just a spark plug. You kind of got to put it on and line it up with everything when you took it off. There's a bit up the back. There's a hole there, and making sure that goes properly on. This goes properly on, and my 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I've got the camera back up there. I'm going to start the car and see how. And it still sounds like a bag of bolts, which means that I'll have to do my ignition coil when I get one, hopefully today or tomorrow. Hi, okay, so earlier on I was trying to fix my car. It had engine misfire. It's a Citreon C1. I changed the spark plug and it still sounded like a bag of bolts, and I didn't think I would get an ignition coil today, but I did because I found out that Europarts can deliver within, I don't know, same day delivery anyway, so I've got it now. I'm going to pop outside and stick that on my little car and see if this fixes the problem. Here we go, off with the fuel filter again. Not the fuel filter, this cover thing. I should order a new one of these while I was at it. Use our torch now because it's dark back up. Crap. Here it is. It's landed in the front grille. Back off it comes. Nice and loose from earlier because I knew it was coming back off. This clippy bit might be a pain in the butt. Kind of pushed down. I might need wire drivers or pliers to prise it off. Gosh, it's tight on. I'm going to need a manicure after this. Got it. Here's a new one in the box. All nice and really shiny. Just needs plugged in here. I'm not sure this is the right bit they've sent me. I'm going to check it against the old one. Yeah, they've sent me the wrong bit. That's got 4 prongs and this has got 3, so I will have to phone them back, which I can do just now.